everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing coin project. Its name is Pavo Coin. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video guys. This amazing project. So first of all, we can see this project introduction. Pavo Coin NFT elegance in every token, secure, rare and luxurious NFTs inspired by the majestic peacock. Sign up today and start collecting unique NFTs. So guys, you can sign up now, then you can start collecting NFTs. You can click get buy to buy NFT on the Pebble marketplace. So guys, you can click here get buy and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here Pavo marketplace. You can see this page is open, so you can log in or sign up now. Then you can check here trend NFT atom last 24 hours NFT marketplace for Pavo Coin on the Solana network. This project also uses the Pavo Coin name to sell and buy NFTs on Pavo Coin. So guys, you can check here all NFTs of Pavo Coin. You can select here, then you can buy and sell. Now you can see this all NFTs: Pavo Coin, Chefpay collection, Pavo the Peacock, Pirate PV, Pavo. You can see the Ninja Pavo. You can check here all NFT. You can buy now. You can see this Samurai Pavo. You can see check here Mafia Pavo. You can see this all as the NFT. Rockstar Pavo the Peacock. You can check here. You can click this and see this all items. You can check here contract address, then you can buy and sell this NFT and next back to the home page. And then guys, you can check here peacock picture. You can see this, you can click this and see this new product release. You can click here and see this page is loading. Guys, you can see this is the new product of this project release. You can check here where I discuss this and NFT marketplace detail, and next we back to the home page. Next you can check here what head is the difference between Pavo Official and Pavo Coin. Pavo Official is a forward-thinking technology company dedicated to advancing the digital asset and blockchain industry. Pavo Coin is our flagship product designed to revolutionize the way people engage with digital currencies and NFTs, non-fungible token. Then guys, you can click here read more in about us. You can click this and see this page is loading. Guys, you can check here about us at Pavo. We are dedicated to revolutionizing the world of cryptocurrency with innovative solutions and a commitment to excellence. Our mission is to provide a secure, efficient and user-friendly platform that empowers individuals and businesses to thrive in the digital economy. And guys, you can check here Pavo Official Company Overview. Pavo Official is a forward-thinking technology company dedicated to advancing the digital asset and blockchain industry. Our mission is to create innovative, secure and user-friendly solutions that empower individuals and businesses to navigate the evolving digital landscape. At Pavo Official, we are committed to fostering a culture of transparency, integrity and excellence, driving us to develop cutting-edge technologies and services that meet the highest standards. And then guys, you can check here Pavo Coin product overview. You can check here Pavo Coin product overview. Pavo Coin is our flagship product designed to revolutionize the way people engage with digital currencies and NFTs, non-fungible token built on the high-performance Solana blockchain. Pavo Coin offers super secure transaction, fast processing times, and scalable solution for global audience. Guys, you can check here all details. You can check here our commitment to security, innovation, and community is the heart of Pavo Coin. We strive to provide unparalleled benefits and opportunities for our users. From seamless transactions to exclusive NFT offering, you can check here all details. You can check this vision and mission. Our vision and mission guide every step we take at Pavo, driving our commitment to innovation, user empowerment, and community growth. Here are the core elements of our vision and mission. Vision to be leading force in the digital assets and blockchain industry, fostering innovation and dividing the adoption of decentralized technologies worldwide. Mission number 1, innovative continuously. Number 2, empower user. Number 3, promote accessibility. Number 4, foster community. Number 5, lead with integrity. You can check here all detail. Next guys, you can check here our journey. Founded with a vision to simplify and enhance the cryptocurrency experience, PavoCoin has grown from a groundbreaking idea into a leading platform. We are committed to continuous improvement and staying at the forefront of industry trend. And as guys, you can check here our team details. You can check here. You can join us. And next, we back to the homepage and see this more detail about this project. And next we discuss Pavo launching. Pavo is launching on Solana. Cutting edge technology, growth potential, solid community. You can check here, you can read carefully. Cutting edge technology. PavoCoin use the latest blockchain technology to ensure fast, secure, and transparent transaction growth potential. With a team of experts behind it and a clear roadmap, PavoCoin has the potential to grow rapidly in the crypto market. Solid community. Join thousands of users who are already part of the PavoCoin community. Get access to the latest information, discussions, and support from the new fellow coin holders. And as guys, you can check here our buy and trade PavoCoin on decentralized exchange DEX. To buy PVO, simply use your Phantom wallet and connect to live to make a purchase now. So guys, you can buy now PavoCoin through Phantom wallet. You can see this. You can buy Pavo on decentralized exchange like Radium or Jupiter. For tracking the Pavo price and chart, visit CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So guys, you can check here the chart of this project. So guys, you can go to the CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Then you can see this chart. You can check here Gecko Terminal, Dex Screener, Swap Radian, Swap Jupiter, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Photon, Rug Check. You can check here CoinMooner, ICO holder. So guys, you can check here all is the platform that you can join us, and you can go this and buy now and sell now through Radium and Jupiter. Then you can see this chart detail in CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. You can check here all detail, and that guy you can check here buy and trade PavoCoin across multiple exchange. Easily buy and trade PVO on multiple platforms. Use Phantom Wallet to purchase on DEX like Radium or Jupiter, or choose centralized exchange like Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin. Track PVO prices on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So guys, you can check here our platform: BinJax, Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit. You can check here. Next guys, you can download Phantom Wallet for easy PVO purchases. To make your PVO transaction seamless, download the Phantom Wallet, available on both Android and iOS. With Phantom Wallet, you can easily manage your PVO tokens and enjoy a smooth, user-friendly experience. So guys, so first of all, you can install wallet. You can check here. You can see this. Then you can protect your wallet for Face ID. Then you can select secret recovery phrases. So then you can see this. Your wallet is done. You can check here all pictures. Then and next guys, you can check here download for now on your device. So guys, you can join in Google Play Store, download in Google Play Store and Apple App Store for iPhone. You can see this quick tutorial how to buy PavoCoin on Phantom Wallet. So guys, you can check here. You can click here and see this tutorial how to buy now. And next guys, you can check here contract address, Gecko Terminal chart view. So guys, you can check here PavoCoin chart view. You can see this chart view of in Gecko Terminal. You can see this is the chart of this project PavoCoin. You can check here. Next guys, you can check here our project. We project with the best. See our excellent project below. You can check here all project, be programmer, wireless. You can check here. Next guy, you can check here our partner. We partner with the best. See our excellent partners below. You can see this is a partner of this project, PavoCoin. Next we discuss why Pavo. Take the first steps towards a brighter financial future by investing in PavoCoin. Join us now and be part of the crypto revolution that promises extraordinary returns. PavoCoin, the coin of your future. Easy transaction, growth potential, long-term gain, sustainable growth. And as guys, you can check here PavoCoin transparency and fairness at the heart of PVO. Here's breakdown of our token distribution. Token name PVO, fair launch on Solana by 15%. Sale 5%, total supply. You can check here. Next guys, you can check here level up your NFT gain. You can click here, then you can and get started now. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. And next guys, we'll go to this project roadmap. So guys, you can check here PavoQueen roadmap. You can see this customer 3 2024 July website launching our website as a hub for project information and community engagement. Customer 3 2024 August fair launch on Radium Jupiter. Customer 3 2024 July concept white paper. We will distribute the first version of our white paper to key stakeholders and NFT industry participants for review. Customer 3 2024 August stacking program. After the token sale, we will launch a stacking program to reward PVO holders and enhance market liquidity. And that guy, you can check customer 4 2024 October develop UI. Customer 4 2024 October testnet launch. Guys, you can check here Alte. Customer 4 2024 November mainland launch. Customer 4 2024 sustainable development partner programs. Guys, you can check here all detail of this project roadmap. And next we go to this project white paper. Guys, you can check here PavoQueen white paper. Read white PavoQueen here. You can download here. You can click this and then you can download now. Then you can read the white paper of this project. So guys, white paper download. You can see this PDF open PavoQueen white paper. You can see this official website link, Telegram link, and Twitter page link, Instagram link. Then next guy, you can check here legal disclaimer detail of this project, abstract detail, introduction. You can check here number 2 market overview, number 3 PavoQueen technology, Solana blockchain integrations, proof of history, proof of stack, unique ceiling points, NFT allegiance in every token, easy transaction, long-term gain, solid community. Number 5 tokenomics. You can check here. We'll discuss this tokenomics of this project. You can see this buy and sell mechanism, roadmap. You can check here team member detail. You can see this conclusion. Guys, you can check here all white paper of this project. You can read it carefully. And next back to the home page. Guys, you can start stacking PavoQueen. You can see this by deposit and stacking your PavoQueen. You gain the opportunity to participate in the governance of the PavoQueen network. Your stack token will enable you to vote on significant network decisions and proposals. Newly stacked tokens become eligible for governance voting at the beginning of the next approach, ensuring that your voice is heard in shaping the future of the PavoQueen ecosystem. So guys, you can stack your PavoQueen now. You can click here and see this page is loaded. So guys, you can check here pages open Pavo Wallet. So guys, first of all, you can log in Pavo Wallet. If you have already account, then you can log in now. So I log in now. Guys, so we discuss how to register Pavo Wallet. So guys, you can check here new member registration for Pavo Wallet. You can enter your full name, then you can enter your username, enter your email address, enter your WhatsApp number, enter your address USDT TRC20, enter your address Solana. Then you can enter your position, referral code, then you can enter your password, then you can sign up now. So guys, my account is open Pavo Wallet. You can see this member area. You can show this Pavo balance. You can see this referral. You can check here recent bonus history. You can check here, then you can click here, then you can start stacking now. You can check here, you can click this and see this. You can check your stacking page and you can see this bonus stacking. You can check your stacking page. You can see this package stacking and then you can start stacking now. And next you back to the home page. And then guys, you can check here news, events, office hour detail. You can check here and actually go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check here official PavoQueen or Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this chat and give information about this project. You can click here and see these 109 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can see the description detail. PavoQueen is an innovative digital coin that offers various benefits and great pleasure for your financial future. You can see these all members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and next back to the home page. Next guys, you can check here official PavoQueen Twitter page. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here all posting. You can see this all post official PavoQueen airdrop, how to participate, follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram group, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, submit screenshot of all actions, provide your wallet address, then you can receive 100 PVO tokens. So guys, you can join now, then you can receive airdrop now. You can see this all detail, you can check here, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.